I'm Angelino Flores from Calamba City, Laguna. I'm currently the president of Honda City GN Philippines. Sabi ko, kung based sa experience nila, tsaka sa mga researchers din naman, Ultra Racing kasi yung parang number one brand ng mga Strat Burst sa ngayon. Lalo na sa mga sa mga truck, usually nakikita ko din siya.
Check this out, Joe. This is for all of you from Ultra Racing Safety Bars. Let's do this. Nice thing to have this in your car. From Ultra Racing Safety Bars. Good for handling, don't make it hard. We made it for you as your safety guard. Nice thing to have this in your car. From Ultra Racing Safety Bars. Good for handling, don't make it hard. We made it for you as your safety guard. Yo, meron na akong bagong ipapakilala. Kaligtasan, siya na ang bahala. Oo, malupit to, kasabay ng beat ko. Para sa chikot mo, sige pakabit mo. See you
First is for safety, and well, I drive mostly in zigzag road and I'm going Antipolo, so I want to try the effectivity of what you guys promote about body road and everything like that.
Kahit na ayaw mo naman talaga na mag-accident, at least prepared ka. If ever what happens, protected ka as driver.
Baka na manibela ang seguridad mo, di mo na problema. Nice thing to have this in your car. From Ultra Racing Safety Bars. Good for handling, don't make it hard. We made it for you as your safety guard. Nice thing to have this
One of
in
my
your
friend
car.
kasi, he has a Jazz. Sabi niya sa akin, ito yung unang-una mong bilhin. Gusto mo yung maging okay yung performance ng mo, tsaka for protection.
Malupit to, kasabay ng beat ko. Para sa chikot mo, sige pakabit mo. Nice thing to have this in your car. From Ultra Racing Safety Bars. Good for handling, don't make it hard. We made it for you as your safety guard. Nice thing.
Actually, kahit hindi Honda GN owners, may re-recommend ko siya. At i-recommend ko talaga siya.
Don't make it hard. We made it for you as your safety guard.